Okay, watch this. I'm gonna change her name. And it's gonna be V. Because she's so cranky. Whoop whoop. Hey. Yep, okay. Hey. I'm allowed. It's alright. We're gonna be friends. Eventually. Maybe. I wear everybody down eventually. Hi. Am I crowding you? You've got to get used to me eventually. Hi. See? I'm not going to hurt you. Hi. Good girl. See, these other guys are over there. Lottie's up there like a jerk, pretending she's scared to death and she's not. There's Obie, and that's Puck over there under his girlfriend. And here's my fat fluffing chop. Yeah. Hi. It's alright. It's okay. You're not very happy with me, are you? What you doing, Puck? What you doing, buddy? You telling these girls how we do? Hey, handsome. Hi, handsome. Lottie and Obie are ready for sleep. They all are really. Sleepy budgies. Obie found the one dark spot in the whole cage hidden by Blue's fat.